We'll demonstrate cable chain stitch. We start from right of pattern. Can see above circle. There's also a small line segment. We come up at end of small line segment. One hand holds thread, one hand holds needle. Wrap needle around thread, one circle. Point to just now line segment and take down here. And vertically come up forward. Then take thread. Wrap from behind needle. Press down just wrapped circle. Pull needle to left. Pull slowly. Prevent it from moving. Now one cable chain is complete. Let me demonstrate again. Thread wraps around needle one circle. Point downward and take down. And vertically forward. Come up outside loop outline. Wrap thread to behind needle. Press loop position. Pull thread to left. Now one cable chain stitch is complete. Let me demonstrate again. Thread wraps around needle one circle. Take down vertically. Point to outer outline and come up. Wrap thread to behind needle. Press down loop. Pull thread to left. Let it firmly lock this loop. Fixed on fabric. When stitching, need to wrap while stitching. Loop and take down. Come up vertically forward. Let it form one ring interlocking with another chain. We pull thread to adjust chain size. Ensure each chain size is consistent. This way presented cable chain stitch will be beautiful. Stitched chain will appear three-dimensional. This stitch very suitable for outlining lines or edge decoration. It's a good choice. Slightly adjust it. Last stitch take down close to outer outline. This cable chain stitch is complete. Let's see the finished effect.